Hello everyone, welcome to Placement Prep. Today we are going to discuss about joins in SQL. So, join clause is basically used to combine rows from two or more tables in a database. There are different types of joins available in SQL. These are inner join, left join, right join, full join, self join and Cartesian join. Among these, inner join, left join and right join. These three are the most important join that we are going to use in the production environment. So here we are going to discuss about these three joins. There is two table, that is one is the customer table and another is the order table. Before going to discuss about join, let us understand about what is primary key PK and what is foreign key FK. Primary key is basically used to identify the uniqueness of individual record, and foreign key is used to establish a link between these two tables. So basically in join we are using the primary key and foreign key to establish a link between these two tables. So in this two table, customer ID is the foreign key. We are using this to create a link. Let us come to inner join. Inner join is will basically retrieve the common record between these two tables. So take an example. Select CID. Here I have taken C from customer table as C as alias, CID, then C name, CH and O amount. O has taken, I have taken order table as alias, O amount. From customer C, inner join order O on C dot ID, that is the primary key, is equal to O dot CID, customer ID. This one is used to establish a link between these two tables. Now these two tables are joined. So what will be the output? The output of inner join will be the common of these two tables. So here ID number 3324. These are the common record. So this thing will get displayed for inner join. I hope it is clear. Let's move to left join. So left join will basically retrieve the all the record of the left table and the common record of the right table. Take an example select CID, CNAME, CH, C amount and C date from customer C, left join order O and C dot ID is equal to C dot O dot CID. So what will be the output? This will retrieve all the record of the left table and the common record of the right table. So let's move to ID number 1. ID number 1, there is no ID number 1 in table 2. So what will be the output? For in the ID column, it will display ID, and in name, it will display the name as Naz, then age will be 23. What will be in the amount? Amount, it will simply place null, and the date, it will simply place null. Let's see. Here ID number 1, name Naz, then amount null, then date is null. Likewise 2, 3, 3, 4, these are the common record. It will display as it is, like 2 Nagma, amount is 5000, then date is given, that is 2 Nagma, amount is 5000, then date is given. Likewise after that 6, 7, it will place as it is, 6, 7 name, then in the place of amount and date it will place null value. See 6, 7. So what we have learnt in this? Left join returns all the record from the left table even if there are no matches in the right table. 6, 7 and 1, 6, 7, 5 and 1, these are not present in the right table. Still it has retrieved all these records. This is the most important note, like it will retrieve all the record of the left table even if there is no matches in the right table. Let's move ahead to right join. Right join is totally the opposite of left join. It will retrieve all the record of the right table and the common record of the left table. Take an example, CID, CNAME, CH, C amount, O amount, O date. From customer C, right join order O and CID equal to O dot CID. So what will be the output here? It will retrieve all the record of the right table and the record that are common in both the table. So basically 3, 3, 2, 4, these are the record of the right table, and these three are also in present in table 1. So only id number 3324 will get displayed. 3324. Let's move to the note. Like right join will return all the record from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table, as we have discussed in the left join. Like for example, there is one more id, name id number 10. It is not there in table number 1. So if there was one id number 10, it will also get displayed while using right join. See, if we will use right join here and there was one extra id, it will also get displayed like id number, name, amount and date, even if there are no matches in the left table. There is no id in that id number 10 in the table number 1. I hope it is clear. For such more videos, please like and subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.